Hello students, let us see the concept. To find the coordinates of A on some line L equal to 0 such that PA plus AQ is minimum and modulus of PA minus AQ is maximum, where P and Q are two fixed points. Okay. Suppose this is the given line. L equal to 0. Listen carefully. This is one of the point P and Q is the point which is opposite side to the line with respect to point P. Now we want to find out the point on this line such that PA plus AQ is minimum. P and Q are 2 points opposite side to my line L equal to 0. You have to find out the point A such that PA plus AQ is minimum. How to find this one? Now this is one of the dummy point, possible point of coordinates of A. Join AP and AQ. What is my target? PA plus AQ should be minimum. What is the law of triangle? Sum of any two sides PA plus AQ is always greater than third side PQ. If you join like this. So when it becomes PQ, our A tends to here. Our A tends to here. So your A becomes to this place. Then PA plus AQ becomes what? PQ. So by solving the line L equal to 0 and line joining of PQ, we get this point of intersection. So P and Q are opposite sides to line L is equal to 0. The point on the line such that PA plus AQ is minimum, only thing is solving L equal to 0 and the line joining of PQ. Suppose our P and Q are the same side of line. This is one case. Suppose our P and Q are same side of line. This is P and this is Q are the same side of line. Same question. We have to find out the coordinates of point on this line L equal to 0 so that PA plus AQ is minimum. Suppose this is my point, say A, PA plus AQ. PA plus AQ should be minimum. For this, we find the image of P with respect to this line. This is P dash, say. P and P dash are images with respect to this line. This becomes perpendicular bisector. Our A is point on the perpendicular bisector, so PA is equals to PA dash. PA is equals to PA dash. Now what is your aim? You have to find the minimum value of PA plus AQ. What is PA? PA dash. So PA plus AQ is equals to PA dash plus AQ. PA dash P dash A plus AQ. Now form a triangle. This is triangle P dash AQ. P dash A plus AQ, which is greater than or equal to P dash Q, greater than P dash Q, not equal, greater than P dash Q. It becomes P dash Q when A becomes to here. Therefore, how to get the value, how to get the coordinates of A here? By solving the line with line joining of QP dash. What is P dash? image of P with respect to the line L equal to 0. Okay. In the same manner, this is your line L equal to 0. This is the point P. This is our point Q. We have to find the coordinates of a point A on the line such that PA minus AQ is maximum. Suppose this is my point A, so that PA minus AQ, the difference of the two distances PA and AQ should be maximum. PA minus AQ modulus is maximum. So how to do this one? First of all, find the image of P with respect to this line. Suppose this is P dash. So P dash is image of P, then automatically this becomes perpendicular bisector. So on perpendicular bisector, the distances are same for any point. Therefore, PA is equals to P dash A. So we have, instead of PA, P dash A minus AQ is maximum. P dash A minus AQ. Now I am complete the triangle PA, P dash AQ. So difference of the any two sides of triangle is always what? Less than the third side, less than PQ. When it becomes PQ, our point A should be lies on our line. So your point must and should be here, A. That is why P dash Q and A will be collinear. Then P dash A minus AQ becomes PQ. So to get the coordinates of A, what you have to do? Solve the line L with the line joining of P dash Q. What is P dash? P dash is equals to image of P. Okay. Suppose P and Q are on the same side of line. What about the above case? Now, A is the point on the line, so that the differences PA and AQ, that is modulus of PA minus AQ, should be maximized. How to get this one? This is line joining of PQ. This is the triangle PAQ. We know that the difference of any two sides of the triangle is always less than the third side. So this is happening when we extend it up to here. A becomes to here. This is your A. Then PA minus QA is equals to PQ. Therefore, you just find the point of intersection of line PQ with the line L is equals to 0. We obtain the required point on the line. Understand? Now, see this question. Given points P2, 3, Q4, minus 2 and R is the point whose coordinates are alpha, beta, then we have to find the value of alpha such that PR plus RQ is minimum as well as modulus of PR minus RQ is maximum. So clearly the point alpha, 0 is on what? X-axis. Okay, this is my X-axis. First point lies in what? First quadrant, that is 2, 3. Second point is 4, minus 2. This is 4, minus 2, say. This is A, this is B. These are the 2 points which are opposite side to the given line. We have to find out the point on this line such that PA plus PR is minimum. So by the concept itself, join these 2 points, we get some line, and solve the line with x-axis, we get some point. This is our required point alpha comma 0. So what is the slope of line joining of 2 comma 3 and 4 comma minus 2? M is equals to 3 plus 2 by 2 minus 4. That is 5 by minus 2. Minus 5 by 2. So the slope of line is minus 5 by 2. Line equation is 5x plus 2y is equals to, substitute any one of the point 2 comma 3. 2 5s are 10 plus 3 2s are 16. That is 16. Therefore, by solving with x-axis, that is y equal to 0, put y equal to 0, we get x is equals to 16 by 5. So the value of alpha is equals to 16 by 5. Okay. Again consider the diagram. What is P? P is 2 comma 3. This is 2 units. This is 3. 2 comma 3. Q is what? 4 comma minus 2. This is 4 comma minus 2. 4 comma minus 2. Now join these 2 points. We get some line segment. Now we have to find the point on this x-axis so that PA, PR minus RQ is maximum. You have to find the coordinates of R. The x coordinate of R is alpha. You have to calculate the value of alpha. Now find the image of 2 comma 3 with respect to this line. What is the image of 2 comma 3? 2 comma minus 3 with respect to x-axis. This is maybe 2 comma minus 3. Now join these 2 points. The line intersect at this point. This is our required point R alpha comma 0. Now find the equation of line joining of 2 comma minus 3 and 4 comma minus 2. What is the slope of the line? M is equals to minus 2 plus 3. That is 1 by 4 minus 2. That is 2. M equal to 1 by 2. The line equation may be in the form x minus 2y. Its slope is 1 by 2 is equals to, substitute any point. 4 ones are 4, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, that is 8. So x minus 2y equal to 8. Solve with x-axis, that is y equal to 0. Put y equal to 0 here. X is equals to 8. So the value of alpha is how much? 8.